Ones.com is an enterprise-grade AI-powered platform for project and knowledge management. For teams that need more flexibility, the Ones Open platform lets developers build plugins, integrate with third-party systems, and customize the interface to meet specific business needs. In this demo, we'll use AI coding to build a plugin, from idea to working solution. In this example, we'll build a plugin for ticket intake and triage. Different ticket types should notify different people, so the plugin will help update watchers automatically based on ticket type. Ones provides downloadable agent skills on GitHub, giving AI coding tools the right platform context, project structure, and implementation guidance to build working plugins faster. Here, we're using Codex, but the same workflow also works with other AI coding tools. Once the package is ready, upload it to Ones and install it as an app. The path is straightforward. Generate, install, and start configuring in the platform. After installation, the plugin can be configured and validated in Ones. In this example, the admin creates roles, assigns members, and maps ticket type values to the right watcher groups. Turning a team-specific process into a reusable workflow rule. Once the rule is active, the result appears directly in Ones. When the ticket type changes, the watcher list updates automatically inside the work item. Members are added or removed based on the rule, and the execution log makes the behavior traceable. This is just one example. The same approach can support custom validations, connectors, and other workflow extensions in Ones.